Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. EE, a leading UK mobile operator, stands out for its high-speed 4G and 5G network performance. Boasting impressive coverage, over 99% of the population on 4G, and premium service options, EE provides speeds up to an impressive 1000 megabits per second on 5G. This makes EE an excellent choice for users who prioritize a strong, reliable connection, whether for streaming, online gaming, or work-related tasks. EE offers a variety of plans, including SIM-only options, pay-monthly contracts bundled with flagship smartphones, and family packages with cost-saving discounts for multiple lines. A key advantage of opting for EE lies in their smart benefits, available on select plans. These perks provide added value, including subscriptions to services like Apple Music and BT Sport, as well as inclusive roaming in a wide range of international destinations. For those who need unlimited data, EE offers flexible plans with customizable speed caps to tailor the service to individual needs and budgets. Business users will appreciate the prioritized customer service and enhanced security features, making EE a compelling option for professionals. Customer support at EE is generally considered excellent, featuring 24/7 availability and in-store assistance across the UK. It's worth noting, however, that EE's plans can be pricier compared to competitors like Vodafone or Three. This premium pricing reflects the network's superior performance and reliability. If you require the fastest and most dependable mobile connection available, EE is undoubtedly a top contender. While budget-conscious consumers might find more affordable alternatives, these often come with compromises in speed and coverage. EE delivers a premium mobile experience for users who prioritize top-tier connectivity and service. If you're an existing EE customer or thinking about making the switch, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your experiences in the comments below, and be sure to check the description for additional information and helpful links.